Hello, this is Ausome here, and welcome to my science lab. And here's beautiful Brynna here with me today, and we're going to learn about pressure, air pressure.
The ingredients we would need are some cardstock paper, or
Any size if you want.
or any card, and
size.
a glass with some cold water.
The water doesn't need to be cold. And make sure the water is really full so it has less air in it. Take one of your cards and place it on the cup of water. Hold your hand above the card and then take the cup and then flip it upside down.
It worked!
The pressure holds. But it doesn't hold for very long.
Lab table. Science table.
That is awesome! Welcome to Aidyn's Science Part. Since there is little or no air in the glass, there is more air pressure on the outside, pushing the paper against the cup and keeping the water in and us dry. Try it at home. It's a DIY experiment. This is a fun experiment you could try to do at home. And it's a really good experiment. Like, share, and subscribe to all of our other videos. If you like this video, give us a
Thumbs up.
Give us a triple thumbs up right here.
The legend of.
Give a little pressure for you.
A wet thumbs up.
Air pressure, air pressure. Have an awesome day, air pressure. Air pressure, yeah. Air pressure.
I wasn't
Air pressure. That's my air pressure dance. I bet I do. Now, hey, stop. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of water in there.